The new Tesla Model Y. Experience the fusion of sculptural design and electric power. Redefine your drive. The future of driving has arrived. Experience the unparalleled elegance of the pearl white Model Y.
Automated assembly sequence active. Frame alignment synchronized. Initiate high-speed welding protocol.
Current 10,000 ampere. Force nominal. Duration complete. Pass.
Approved.
High-tech automation ensures every aerodynamic contour is spotless. A chemically pure, glistening finish, ready for paint.
Precision engineering ensures a flawless foundation. The electrophoretic coating creates impenetrable protection, reaching deep into every cavity.
Train is secure. Start moving the coils.
Copy that. Moving now.
Battery-grade lithium and nickel and cobalt, which are the heart of every Tesla, arrive in purified powder form, ready for cathode production.
Quality inspection is paramount when dealing with materials this massive.
The finish on this batch is exceptional. No anomalies detected. Moving to the press.
Pallet 7B processed. Inventory updated in real time. Next task initiated.
It all starts here, with the raw lithium powder. From this, our automated production line.
Pressure holding steady. Flow rate looks good. Proceeding to mixing stage.
60 degrees Celsius.
Pull the lever now!
It's flowing. Keep the wheel clear.
The birth of a Tesla begins here, with the precise crafting of high-strength steel, ensuring structural integrity and a flawless finish.
Transforming raw copper with surgical precision. Through intense heat and rapid cooling, we forge the future.
From initial scanning to final placement, our automated production line handles the glass with fragile precision and structural strength.
The high-pressure injection creates a flawless structure, ready for final inspection.
The centrifugal force applies the resist with perfect uniformity. Now the excimer laser begins the lithography sequence. Approved. Approved. As the metallic powders pour into the glowing kiln, they are forged at 800 degrees Celsius, transforming into...
The process begins with synthetic graphite cascading into the ball mill, transforming into a fine powder essential for the electrode slurry.
Anode coating sequence initiated. Slurry dispersion optimal. Temperature stabilization engaged. Through advanced robotics and precision cutting, we ensure every lithium-ion cell meets the highest standards of uniformity and quality. Clinical precision at every stage. The ceramic separator is sliced and stacked before the tabs are welded with brilliant electric sparks. Injection sequence initiated. Electrolyte saturation at 99%. Seal engagement successful. System diagnostic complete. Non-compliant units diverted for reorganization. Approved cells proceeding to next stage. Module assembly sequence initiated. Laser welding active. Compression cycle complete. Quality check nominal.
Module insertion confirmed. All systems green. Automated torque sequence commencing.
From extreme cold to a 500 kilowatt discharge, the system maintains optimal performance across the cycle.
In our fully automated Gigafactory, autonomous logistics and precision robotics ensure seamless, just-in-time delivery.
Here in the Gigafactory, the molten aluminum is purified before being transferred to the massive casting crucible.
Warning, casting sequence commencing. Stand clear of the Giga Press.
Injected at 20,000 psi, the 700-degree molten aluminum fills the cavity before the massive steel mold parts, releasing a cloud of steam.
Giga Press cycle complete. Initiating quench sequence. Transferring to cooling conveyor.
Precision engineering on a massive scale. The incandescent casting rapidly cools from 400 to 80 degrees Celsius.
Trimming sequence complete. The component is now moving to the quality inspection station.
Analysis complete. The volumetric data confirms critical flaws. Diverting unit for immediate remelt.
Keep the line moving smoothly. We are hitting peak efficiency on this run.
Analysis complete.
Automated assembly sequence active. Frame alignment synchronized. Initiate high-speed welding protocol.
Current 10,000 ampere. Force nominal. Duration complete. Pass.
Approved.
High-tech automation ensures every aerodynamic contour is spotless. A chemically pure, glistening finish, ready for paint.
Precision engineering ensures a flawless foundation. The electrophoretic coating creates impenetrable protection, reaching deep into every cavity.
Mathematical precision ensures a mirror-ready surface, swept clean by deionized water and a powerful air knife blast.
A flawless finish achieved through revolutionary precision. The future of automotive design is here.
The Model Y chassis emerges with a diamond-hard coating, reflecting industrial perfection.
Check the alignment here under the polarized light, right at the fender curve.
Confirmed. Absolutely no subsurface anomalies.
Battery integration sequence initiated. Structural integrity confirmed. Power connection established.
Front drive unit alignment confirmed. High voltage connection secured.
The performance brake system is installed, and every caliper is torqued and bled, the feel being stopping power with safety through control.
Alignment check complete. Process confirmed.
The wiring harness, which is the vehicle's nervous system, is routed with organized clips and tie wraps.
As the cooling module locks into the chassis, pressurized lines secure the heat pump, optimizing thermal efficiency with engineering mastery.
Systems operational.
With mechanical precision, the interior panels snap seamlessly into place. The center console
torqued to perfection, synchronized for the journey ahead. This is automotive excellence.
Software validated. Steering angle zeroing. Accelerator sensor synchronized. Calibration complete.
Total watertight perfection, rigorously tested. The hydrophobic finish repels every drop, leaving a streak-free gloss.
Initiating high-load acceleration sequence.
Test complete. Performance metrics validated. Panel gaps are within tolerance. Paint finish is flawless, confirming the platinum certification.
Absolutely flawless. Look at that reflection.
Another masterpiece. The pearl white really pops under these lights.
Systems verified. Approved.
Make sure the edges are perfectly aligned.
Smooth glide on the left side, almost done.
Confirmed alignment. Proceed slowly. Stop. Set parking brake.
The horizon awaits. Experience the unmatched elegance of the pearl white Model Y.
This video is an AI-enhanced cinematic visualization created for educational purpose. The process of a script are developed for original research and industrial data, then brought to life using advanced AI tools, including View 3, Meta AI, and Grok. All final content is meticulously edited in CapCut to ensure a high-quality human-created experience. We do not reuse copyrighted material. Every scene is a unique digital creation. This video is intended for informative purpose and present industrial process for our digital lens.